Hello, my name is Sharon Anderson. I am filming this video for BSN 206. This is going to be a video for vital signs. So before I get started, I'm going to go over my supplies that I have. So I have my stethoscope, my badge, my uniform, my watch, my blood pressure cuff, and I also have a whiteboard here to write down his vital signs. Other than that, I'm going to enter in his room and introduce myself. So as I enter in his room, I'm going to open up the curtain and then close the curtain for his privacy and then perform hand hygiene. So I'm going to introduce myself. Hello sir, my name is Sharon. I'm going to be your nurse today. Can you tell me your name and date of birth?
Joel Davis, 4/22/78.
Okay, and I'm going to verify that with his wristband here to make sure it's correct. First thing I'm going to do is assess your pulse. So by doing that, I'm going to take my index finger, middle finger on the inside of the arm, alongside of the thumb. So I'm going to search for the radial pulse, and now that I've located it and I can feel it, it is feels strong and regular. So then now I'm going to look at my watch and start counting. Okay, so I had counted 32 beats within 30 seconds. So to make sure that it is beats per minute, I'm going to do 32 times 2. That would be 64 beats per minute. So he'll be within the normal range of a heart rate, and the normal range would be 60 to 100 beats per minute. If it's under 60, it's bradycardic. If it's over 100, it's tachycardic. So his pulse rate, he has a regular pulse rate, strong pulse, not too fast, not too slow, within normal limits. Now I'm going to go to the next step. So I'm going to just borrow your arm here real quick. Okay, so I was assessing his respirations, so I counted 7 respirations within 30 seconds. So to do that respirations per minute, I'm going to multiply that times 2, and that is going to be 14 respirations per minute. So that's within the normal range of 12 to 20 respirations per minute. He has a regular respirations and a normal depth as well. The next thing I'm going to do is do a blood pressure. So before I do that, I'm going to find his brachial artery. And then I'm going to lift up his shirt and then find the brachial artery. Okay. Alrighty. So, since it's on his left arm, I'm going to make sure that the arrow lines up with his brachial artery. And then I'm going to put the blood pressure cuff about an inch above his inner elbow here. Okay. So I gave you that to hold for me. And then his legs are uncrossed. And then, sir, can you tell me what your regular blood pressure would be?
120/70.
Okay. And so I'm going to increase the blood pressure cuff to an additional 30 millimeters above the 120. And then I'm going to let it deflate 1 to 2 millimeters per second. The first beat that I hear is going to, as I deflate it, the first beat that I hear is going to be the systolic, and then the last beat that I hear is going to be the diastolic. So I'm going to scoot in a little bit closer so you can see it. Oops. And I'm going to make sure that the bell of the stethoscope doesn't touch the blood pressure cuff. I'm going to take a peek at it if you don't mind. Okay. So, my bad. Okay. His blood pressure is, sir, your blood pressure is 110/70. And as I've heard that diastolic number of 70, I let it deflate an additional 20 millimeters to make sure I didn't hear anything else. So, that is within a normal range of an adult blood pressure. And then I'm going to take this off now. And other than that, do you have any other questions, or do you need help with anything else, sir?
No, thank you.
Okay, so now that I'm done with the patient, I'm going to close the curtain and perform hand hygiene. And that will be the end of this video.